Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. I've got some things going on. My recording went wrong again, that's what I'm known for now. So I started something. So I started something here. It's basically has loads of tropical fish in and we are gonna decorate this. Sorry you couldn't have seen me build this. It's not a big deal, I guess. Um it's not like it's nothing exciting. Also, I love this sound. It's so ASMR-y. Oh, sorry, fish. Okay. So now we need to fill this in. You don't want any lines of water anywhere. Now it's all coming to this nice bit here. So if I did, I don't want flowy water. So it's just these bits here. So what would happen if I did? Let's just put the glass down here. Oh no, we need to decorate. If we get some kelp. Nope. Okay, I'm not gonna have any coral in here, by the way. This is gonna be like the big bit, I think. And there's gonna be like 3 pieces here. This is overpopulating with fish right here, so if we just have it like that, that should work, I think. Oh, it's so pretty, I love it. Actually, I think there should be some sea pickles in there so that we can see all of our beautiful fish. So, sea pickles. That lights things up a little bit. I can't put too many down because it's quite a small area. So if I just have it like that, can we see a bit better? I think we can see a bit better there. And then like that. Ta-da. So that's my wow idea. Is it a wow idea? I don't know. I'm thinking I want to get magenta clay, concrete, not clay, and then put like a big firework here. I think that's how I'm gonna go. Try and do like a huge firework. I think it will work. Let's see. This is it so far. It's not. It's not. It's just not. So there's gonna be some more going out. It's not just gonna be like a big U kind of thing. Sorry, you probably can't see that well. Wait, it is day. Put the weather clear. Clear. Okay, that should sort itself out soon. If we do one more, like this, and then like one like this, I think this is gonna look good. I think, um, Those bits I don't want to go up too high. So just 3, I think. So that's something. Something. Is it looking like a firework? We can just pretend it is looking like a firework. So we're going to do the same on this side. If it lets me, so. These bits aren't exactly even, so I'll have to do that. Just like that, like these 2 bits. Okay. And then one big bit here. What? It's not exactly a big bit. If I do that, well, it'll probably look better. It kind of looks like a firework. Let's just keep it like that. I'm happy with it. Wait, it could also be like firework cool kind of thing. It looks more like cool than a firework, but it's something. I finished off doing this side, and I'm not sure if I did this on camera, but ta-da. Just needed some more firework themes. I mean, this is a bonfire night world, so yeah. What level is my house on? Hello? My house is on level 64. If you didn't know, that's my favorite. One. Okay, so here's my back garden. Yep. What should I do now? I'll give you a tour of Harry's house. He's not here at the moment. Some his mess boxes. A creeper banner I made for him. He's got these stairs leading up to his bedroom, and where did those other stairs lead to? His back bit's a bit of a mess, I will be honest. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Also, is this a swamp over here? And I know in swamp there are witch huts, but there's no witch huts. I should say, okay. My house. So cute. Also, let's check your trade. Tube coal block. Yeah, I've already got my bucket of tropical fish. Thank you. But, that means that you're not used to me. There. Better. Okay. Wait, let's just check. Can I put my dog on a lead? I can. Can I put my cat on a lead? I'm taking you for walkies. Wait, I need you to stand up first, don't I? Come for a little walk with me, guys. Come on. Why are you sitting down? Come on. Oh, they're so cute and adorable. And you want to have fireworks? Ooh, I haven't got a name for them yet. Oh, they're so cute names. I love them. I love them so much. If I go over here, will you come? You've got to sit down over here, not in the cat's area. Okay. Now, I've been thinking, when we move back into survival, we will need some mines, like a mining area. So, I thought we should start some mines. So if we get a ladder here, accidentally broke that block. That shouldn't be broken. I'll just put planks there for now. Okay. Sorry, Iron. It hurts me to um to destroy you, but I have to. This is gonna be the start of our mines. We're just gonna do the basics of our mines. I don't want a really basic mine though. I want an exciting dwarf type mine. It looks like it's been working. If you understand what I mean. Probably don't. Okay, let's get some torches. Wait, do I not have torches on me? Oh wow. Torches. Okay. First, I'm gonna have to do two. Okay, one, two, three, one, two. And in between them, between each of them, there will be a torch for all of our lighting. That's right, I think. Yeah. And then if we go a bit further this way, just a bit, not by that much. Okay, that should be it. One, so it's three difference? Yep, three difference. One, two, three. So, perfect. I'm loving this. But this area, I want to be where the dwarfs do all their crafting and smelting. Probably more smelting, but you know. There isn't actually going to be working dwarfs in these mines, of course. If there if that could be, that would be, but there isn't. So, sorry guys. And then maybe this way a little bit. I have to break the iron. It's okay. So this is going to be the area where the dwarfs are going to be like crafting. So I'm going to have a few furnaces. By that I mean three. No, why did I type that? Furnaces. Okay. Over here. One, two, three furnaces. A blast furnace. And that's it. Okay. I if I did that and that get some more lighting in there, I think. No. Lantern, please. Sorry you didn't get to see me building. No, just on the blast ones, I think. Okay, and then actually I want it to be quite not quite dark actually. Maybe like that. I still want it to be dark though. Maybe if I just keep it like that, and then we can get some vines. Just some normal vines, no nether vines. Okay. Okay. I like that. Okay, and now we can get a barrel, or two. And I feel like there's something else that should be here. Maybe a minecart, but where would it lead to? Let's just have a minecart heading this way. Minecart, rail. Sorry if you can't hear me that well. Uh, powered. No, we don't need powered rail. It's not going to be going anywhere. Oh yeah. So it's like coming in from its delivery. I don't know the story of this mine shaft, but there it 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 has its story. Let's just have it like that. Okay, these stay there. I'm happy with this for now. Right now on level 51. So I think we're gonna do the rest of this. That's not good there. The rest of this after, but look at this. I'm really happy with these mines. Oh, I can barely see my screen. Time, day, boomer. And now I want to put a trap door. This Bruce one to be Pacific. No. Okay. I'll just have it like that then. I'm happy. Oh, sorry, but we don't have any name suggestions for these two yet. Leave down in the comments below what you think we should call them. So we've got this cat, loves magenta, two different color eyes, and this dog who loves cyan, who's adorable. Not sure if that gave you ideas. I don't think we need any comments on anything else other than you just like having a laugh. Um, we're populating with fish. Okay. So I'm going to set my personal game mode to survival and see how we get on. Cheats are going to be on for the moment though. Okay. No, actually, I'll go into survival next episode. That shouldn't be there. Okay. Thank you for... my battery's running low. Thank you for watching this episode. I hope you enjoyed. Soon I will be doing some more episodes on my Minecraft Adventures world. So leave down in the comments below what should we call these wonderful cats and dogs and cat, you know. So leave down that in the comments below. I really hope you're enjoying these episodes. I've got a lot of series going on at the moment, I think. So I will see you next time. Thank you for